Hey guys, good morning. This is KV, and we're going to Tamene with Ketan Bhai, who is one of my oldest buddies. He's more than 60 years old and has taken up riding. He bought a Speed 400, Triumph Speed 400, and just look at the smoothness with which he rides, takes the curves, and just a very smooth operator. It's the same way he drives cars even at this age, and there's a lot to learn from him for us to stay fit and stay hungry. So here's an interview with Ketan Bhai. Hey guys, good morning. I have Ketan Bhai here with me, and I have our third rider Chetu here. So we are in Tamini today, and I'm riding for the first time with Ketan Bhai,
Even I am riding for the first time, you can say.
with KV,
Yes,
and
Chetan, it is second time.
yeah, and it has been a fantastic experience. So I'll just introduce you to this gentleman. He's Mr. Ketan Makwana. Uh, he's 60 plus years old. Doesn't look like it. But I have tremendous respect for him because he has taken up riding now at this age. It's a very difficult thing for most of the people. It is unimaginable. What's your exact age, sir?
I have completed 61 in.
Yeah, so he's completed 61, 62 running, and he's bought a new bike. Uh, he's bought a what was that? A Speed 400. Yeah, so that's the bike. I missed it. So that's the bike he has, and I just wanted to get a few snippets from him to understand, his mindset and why he is doing it, and how it has been so far. Bhai,
Now
good
you
morning.
stop calling me Ketan Bhai, Ketan Bhai. Make me too conscious of everything.
No. I know you're conscious of the camera, but it's okay.
And that too I'll be.
So, uh, give a background about your automotive journey.
Automotive journey, so since childhood, you can say, like we are like all automotive family. It is
Yeah.
in the DNA, you can say, or in the genetics also. It could be a flaw at one time. But yes, all of us are roadies basically, from my grandfather to my father to myself to my son to my brothers and cousins and all. Like,
Awesome.
we are all into automobiles.
What
Everyone,
are
we started with the basic vehicles and then slowly
so
we
so what,
evolved.
what does your garage look like today? What are the cars that you own?
My cars that I own. One is the Linea MJD,
Okay,
then one is a Style 1.6
okay,
and Abarth.
yeah. And Ketan Bhau has actually bought my style,
Yes.
and so that I could buy a Jeep.
And I am getting a kick out of that NA engine.
Yeah,
And then maybe my son, obviously, my son is another fellow who's very greedy of all the things, like you can say. He's power hungry.
I
Of
know.
course, his age is that.
Yeah,
But he is maturing now and he's appreciating all these different aspects of
automobiles.
automobiles.
Yeah,
Where speed is not the only thing, there's refinement and there's a lot of things.
yeah.
And basically, primarily, I started this two-wheelers. So we are born in Pune, so brought up in Pune. So we always, it is like
Everyone has a two-wheeler.
everyone has a two-wheeler, and it is like second nature.
Awesome.
But up till now, it was basically like, of course, yes, I had a RX also, RX 100.
Yeah,
We have ridden all those maniacs, like also that time RD 350 and all.
wow.
But that
Okay.
time it was not awareness. There was no awareness as such. And it was youth, youth is a different thing altogether. We did all those stupid things also. Now also at times people
Now also
might,
at times people say that you do stupid
yeah,
things.
I'm doing stupid things. But see, fortunately in this automotive journey or in this companies, I found a very good group. Like if you say at 60 plus, with this youth around me, it is what I extract from them. I get it from them. Like how to be young. It is not question of number of years and all. It is how you feel. So be with these guys. Obviously KV, Chetan, he started the first ride with me. So maybe he's helping me out, nudging me. KV, though I know he's a speed guy. I'm scared of being with him all the time. But yes, then there's Pragal. There's a lot of guys I'm missing.
Yeah.
Jitu, a very good old friend of mine,
Yeah.
very old guy. Not old, but yes, the best among the lot. So he's the one who first started this. Okay?
Yeah. He used to ride the
He used
two-stroke
to ride a
250s and all,
two-stroke
right?
250s, and also he said, "Okay, why don't you start? Why don't you start?" Then of course these guys. So that is how.
And
Try
then,
to avoid.
why did you buy the the Speed 400?
Yeah, so the Speed 400, like every day I used to see, like, pass by Abhimanshri home and see a lot of people. Tram showroom was that time very busy.
Yeah.
I'd heard about it, never contemplated of going into it again. But then just one day said, "Ki, chalo, let's give it a try at least." But I always used to stop myself from going for a TD. I don't know, I always slip once I take a TD
I know.
of any vehicle or anything. So always avoid it.
Yeah.
But then one day I decided, ki, chalo, it's enough here. Like commuting on a scooter, and let's think about it in a different way.
Different way.
Okay, why not a motorcycle to commute also?
Right.
That is where I took the TD, and immediately I was at ease with this bike. So there were two things in this, okay, like very easy going. Of course, price is always a consideration.
Yeah.
So, and the premium looks is what the kids also like in the family. So this is how I got it. And
Awesome,
this is how
awesome.
this journey has started.
Yeah.
Now let's see.
And I firmly believe that you will probably look at graduating to a bigger bike very soon.
This is why I'm scared of you. This is why I'm scared of you.
The way you're riding nowadays.
It's just a second ride, yeah.
Yeah, but overall, I think you ride very smooth and very fast. Not very fast, but fast. There's never a time where I have to, or we had to wait, slow down, or stop for you, even on the most technical sections in the Ghat. So
Maybe it is you guys, Always, like, with Fiat, it's like, yes, we started a journey with Fiat.
You are being modest,
No. We started a journey with Fiat, yeah. It is wonderful,
I know,
to be able to have such friends.
right?
Really have this kind of a life. So let's enjoy.
Yes.
Thanks, KV, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thanks, Ketan bhai.
Again, bye.
आता मी माझ्या ब्लॉगवर टाकणार. Yeah, now you can enjoy some of the scenes from Tamini. This is in February. The cold season is about to end and the warm weather is going to begin. It's in all its glory. Enjoy.